What do you say, Jailbird? Going for the detention hat trick today?
No way! I'm never going back to prison. You don't know the things I had to do in there.
Super Goo, the most heroic of goos. This'll teach Ms. Evil Meyer to mess with my sidekick.
One inside class. I trust we'll have no shenanigans today, Mr. Phelps.
No, ma'am. My doctor says I'm shenanigan and disease-free.
Oh. Now, let's open our books to page 103.
Evil, you've been schooled.
She can't blame me for that, right?
Mr. Phelps, I am happy to report that you've just earned yourself detention for the rest of the year.
But I didn't do it.
That was way too smooth for him.
Then how do you explain these? You're mine, Mr. Phelps. Prepare to feel the full extent of my wrath. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm off to shop class to have this removed.
Rules with an iron fist? Humiliation in front of others? Wrongful imprisonment? AP was right. Erlenmeyer is evil! And evil needs to be eliminated!
Something tells me you're behind all this.
She started it.
Very mature, Puppet. What about Felt?
Joy'll figure something out. Trust me. Pauline, is now a bad time to ask for a lift home? Pauline? Pauline?